Refrigerator Partition Storage Rack saves space, keeps food fresh, and organizes food/beverage/small parts. The retractable slider design enables you to draw out the storage box and take out things conveniently. And you can make full use of the refrigerator space. Racks are used in refrigerators, freezers, tables, desks, cabinets, and are ideal for storing and organizing food or handling small items on tables and tables. You can get the Refrigerator Partition Storage Rack through the link in the description below. That is all.